In this video, I'm going to address the individual who posted on 2 of my YouTube videos. You said that I have been bashing Mormons for, did you say for over a decade? You neglect to mention that Bishop Reese wrote a letter. Bishop Reese of the Holiday Fourth Ward wrote in a form letter very specifically that my being in the United States was threatened by the members of the Mormon Church at Weber State University. I'm not going to go into a list of details, but I can promise you that without my telling the problems that I've experienced in the Mormon Church, Nemo the Mormon and John DeLane will do much justice to the very victims of the LDS Church that are now emerging all over social media. I hope you're having a nice day, because I am. That's what happens when you harm people and you don't think that there is gonna be a day like this when you meet your match. You've met your match, and it's called the internet. The LDS Church will no longer get away with harming people. They've met their match, and it's called the internet. It's everywhere.